Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you will be fine. I am also fine, dear students. Welcome again at Hira Public School in class 7. In today's class, we are going to read lesson number 3, that is poem name Meadow Surprises. Meadow Surprises is written by Louis Brandeis Phillips. In this poem, the poet describes the beauty of a grassy land and encourages the reader to interact with nature. Meadow means चरागाह. Surprises means हैरान करना. What is meadow? A piece of grassland near a river that is mostly covered with grass, wild flowers blooming in the meadows. ज़मीन का टुकड़ा जो कि ढका होता है हरियाली से. अब आप बताएं मिडो सरप्राइजेस का मतलब क्या है. इसका मतलब अल्लाह ताला की क्रिएशन में एक मिडो मतलब चरागाह भी है जिसमें बहुत सारी हैरान कुन चीज़ें छुपी हुई हैं. वो चरागाहें हरियाली से ढकी होती हैं. उनमें मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के जानवर, परिंदे, पेड़ पौधे, फूल होते हैं. आए उनके बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Now I am going to read this poem. Its first stanza is Meadows have surprises, you can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. चरागाहों में हमारे लिए हैरान कुन चीज़ें छुपी हुई हैं. आप उनको ढूंढ सकते हो अगर आप उनको देखना चाहते हो. आराम से चले मखमल की घास पर और सुने नदी की आवाज़ को. I want to explain this stanza in English. In this stanza, poet is telling us about the beauty of meadows. He says that meadows have so many surprises which are very beautiful. We can discover so many things in the meadows by observing each and everything. We should walk softly through velvet grass and listen the flowing water of the brook. We can feel pleasure when we walk on velvet grass. Here we have found that we can feel comfort. The sound of flowing water is pleasurable, so here we have come to know that it can give us happiness. Stanza is you may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. आप एक तितली को बटरकप पर देख सकते हैं जो बैठी हुई है. उसने खोली हैं पीने की नलकियाँ उस फूल का रस चूसने के लिए. In this stanza, the poet says that we can see butterfly in the meadows. Butterfly likes to take rest upon a buttercup. It unfolds its drinking straws to sip the nectar from the flowers. The third stanza is you may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him. When he hops, you will. आप खरगोश को डरा सकते हैं जो बिल्कुल खामोशी से बैठा हुआ है अगरचे आपने उसे पहले नहीं देखा, पर जब वो उछला मीन्स जंप लगाया तो आपने उसे देखा. In this stanza, the poet says that one cannot see a rabbit which is sitting still. The rabbit might get frightened by our footsteps and wood hops. It is indeed a sight which can give us pleasure by discovering another surprise of meadow. The fourth stanza is a dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago has turned to airy parachute that flutter when you blow. आप dandelion फूल को देख सकते हो जो कुछ दिन पहले सुनहरी रंग का था. अब वो पैराशूट्स में बदल चुका है. जब उसको हवा लगेगी तो वो फड़फड़ाने लगेगा. In this stanza, the poet describes the sight of birds transforming into flowers and also tells us about dandelion bright yellow flowers that several days ago it was in golden color. Its seeds was like little parachute that was fluttering means flying in wind, and it looks like a parachute when you blow it. The fifth stanza is explore the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground and nest beneath tall grasses, the ants amazing mound. आप खोज सकते हैं चरागाहों में घर जैसे ज़मीन के अंदर छोटे बेल घास के नीचे घोंसले और छोटे छोटे चींटियों के टीले. In this stanza, the poet describes the certain houses that ought to be seen in the meadows. Means meadows are home to many little animals and insects. They make their houses in meadows and live happily. In meadows, you can see the nest beneath the tall grass, and burrows means holes in the ground. The last stanza is, oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. चरागाहों में वाकई हमारे लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें छुपी हुई हैं जो बहुत हैरान कुन हैं। आप उनको खुद खोज सकते हैं अगर आप उनको अच्छे से देखें और सुनें। The poet tells us the fact that a meadows has several surprises. He tells these someone is able to pay a little attention and look and listen well in the meadows may find several beautiful surprises that are hidden in the meadows. The poet wants these readers to be observant and patient listeners to enjoy the beauty of nature. What do you understand from this? Meadows have really surprises and have many wonderful things. Its surprises could be seen only if we look carefully. चरागाहों में वाकई हैरान कुन चीज़ें छुपी हुई हैं, वो हमें तभी नज़र आ सकती हैं अगर हम उनको देखना चाहें. Dear student, this is about today's poem. Inshallah, we will meet again in next video. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.